Hello, families. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access the Yonkers Math Week March 18th to March 22nd, 2024 website. The website link's going to be provided on our school's page, on our Class Dojo page, and there is going to be a flyer that's sent home with the QR code to this website. When accessing the website, the first thing you're going to do is click Get Started. Once clicking Get Started, it's going to take you to the first day of stories and games. Underneath stories and games, there are different grade bands: kindergarten to second, third to fifth, and sixth to eighth. These stories and games are in both English and Spanish. Each day, you are going to complete a story and play the games provided. Each day, when you're done completing the story and playing the game, you are going to click the gameplay data button to access the Yonkers Math Week survey. This survey needs to be filled out each day. There are 3 pages on the survey. You're going to be prompted to choose which school your child attends. Please make sure to click Museum School 25. You're going to be prompted to click on the grade that your child is in, and then you're going to be prompted to pick where your child participated. After that, you're going to go to the next page and rate your experience for Math Week, and then if you would like to, you could add a little short response to your experience. As you scroll through the page, you're going to be seeing different days. Day 1 will be completed on March 18th. Day 2 will be completed on March 19th. Day 3 will be completed on March 20th. Day 4 will be completed on March 21st. And day 5 will be completed on March 22nd. Underneath each day, you will see the gameplay data. Please make sure to fill this out each day your child completes a game. This ensures that we know that your child has completed it.